Understanding CPAP machines. A guide to better sleep. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore what a CPAP machine is and why it's used. For those learning English or curious about medical devices, this topic is quite interesting. CPAP machines are a crucial tool for people with certain sleep disorders, and understanding them can also expand your English vocabulary related to health and technology. Let's dive into the world of CPAP machines and learn something new together. A CPAP machine stands for Continuous Positive Airway Pressure. It's a medical device used primarily by people who have sleep apnea, a condition where breathing stops and starts repeatedly during sleep. The machine works by delivering a constant stream of air through a mask, which helps keep the airway open and allows for uninterrupted breathing. It's an essential tool for improving sleep quality and overall health for those affected by this condition. Every CPAP machine consists of several key components. Motor, a small compressor that generates a continuous stream of air. Hose, a tube that connects the motor to the mask. Mask, worn over the nose, mouth, or both, it delivers air into the airway. Understanding these components is important for anyone using or considering the use of a CPAP machine. Using a CPAP machine comes with several significant benefits, especially for individuals with sleep apnea. Improves sleep quality. Ensures steady breathing, leading to uninterrupted sleep. Reduces daytime fatigue. Better sleep quality means more energy and alertness during the day. Lowers blood pressure. Can help in managing and reducing high blood pressure. These benefits highlight why CPAP therapy is often recommended for sleep apnea patients. Starting to use a CPAP machine can be challenging for some people. Here are a few tips to make the adjustment smoother. Gradual use. Begin by using the machine for short periods while awake to get used to the sensation. Proper fit. Ensure the mask fits well to avoid discomfort and air leaks. Humidity and heat. Adjust these settings if your machine has them, to make breathing more comfortable. Patience and persistence are key in adapting to CPAP therapy. We hope this video has shed some light on CPAP machines and their importance in treating sleep apnea. Remember, understanding and patience are crucial when starting with a CPAP machine. Whether you're learning English or curious about medical devices, we believe this knowledge can be both empowering and beneficial. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this video informative. Stay curious, and keep learning.